Welcome back to Add Art. Today's lesson is another quick draw, and it's a bit of a tongue twister. We are going to be drawing a screaming ice cream ice skating. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. So if you're ready, on your marks, get set, draw. We'll start by drawing the eyes, quite wide with terror. Bring his head round the back here. And because of the speed, I have great drips flying off the back. Remember, if I am going a little fast, you can always pause the video, catch up and hit play. Now let's bring the front of his head round. Comes all the way down to the bottom. Just pause it there so we can put his mouth in, screaming with terror. Perhaps another ice cream has given him a shove and he's feeling out of control. Put some detail under his eyes as though they're really strained. Some eyebrows lifting up, looking worried. Okay. Continue that to the back of his head. Let's put some drips coming off, almost like perspiration. Okay, now we'll start with the cone, the neck of the cone in. Looks almost like a polo neck jumper. Put some detail in. Then we'll put his arms outstretched, so we'll do his hands first. Put the line to indicate the palm there. Have the arms really straight. He's reaching out, feeling like he can fall at any moment. Okay, we've got this body at a slight angle, like he's leaning forward again, suggesting he's not totally in control. Bring the body down, but leave a gap for this back leg. Curl that round. Let's put a boot on. Down. Put a toe on the front there. Sole. Then the blade. Some laces on it. Add some detail onto the cone. We'll have another leg stretching out in front here. With a boot. Laces. And the blade. Now let's show the speed. It's going far too fast for his skill level. Got some wobbly lines here to show that he's totally out of control. put some secondary speed lines just to make him go even faster. And there we have it. There is our screaming ice cream ice skating. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that quick draw. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.